welcome to the video. We are doing something awesome today because it is the last weekend before school starts. So we're heading up to Bear Lake to see the shot of the Jaegers, meet up with my sister, and have some fun. What is going on, Toby?
Slowly making his
He
way
is
up.
slowly making his way up. Toby, what? What is he doing? It's bad.
We're trying to.
There's Bear Lake. It's so pretty. The water is so clear. I'm so excited. Now we just need to find shot of the Jaegers.
Yeah.
Where is my sister and her family?
Woohoo!
We found your cousins. We're here, Toby. Hey. Are you guys gonna go in the water? Go. I wonder how deep it is.
Not that deep. Do you really have to wear these?
Yes, you have to wear those. Toby, are you gonna go in the water? Step in the water. Step in. He's like, no. Is that fun, Toby?
He's willing to go out. I'm so surprised, Dad.
It looks like you're walking on water. Are you walking on water? It looks like you guys are walking on water clear out there. Toby likes the water. Do you like the water? Come on. This is shallow for so long.
For a dog who never goes in the bathtub, is fully immersed in the water. Oh no, what happened, Toby? Are you a little timid? Now that you're like full body in?
Just go slow.
Cody, what are you doing?
Playing on napkins?
Oh wow.
I didn't go farther.
Okay, let's see. Hey, where's your life jacket?
It's so shallow.
He's so good boy.
He hates water.
He hates water, but he's enjoying this. He's a little scared right now. This is his limit of deepness.
Yeah,
It's kind of cold too.
he might not know how to swim.
Well, he's never done it
All
before.
dogs know how to swim.
No.
They just might not be very good at it.
Duncan did.
Toby.
Some dogs.
What are you doing?
Playing the game.
Are you cold? Taking a break? Are you having fun?
Yep.
Bria, what are you doing?
Getting all the dirt off of this.
Getting all the dirt off of this huge pad?
The dirt's not coming off.
Stop throwing dirt at him.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Your lips are purple. Are you cold?
No.
We were playing volleyball out in the water, and Joel dove for a ball, and check out his leg. Ouch. Does it hurt to touch?
What happened?
Not really, it's just sensitive.
This is so beautiful here. I've never been to Bear Lake, and I love it so much. I'm gonna go check out what Cody's doing over here. I am way out here, and I'm still like can reach perfectly. It doesn't even go over my waist. Ah! You got me wet! What is going on here? What are you doing?
We're sitting away from everyone else, and then we're gonna sit down, and these are our feet are gonna go.
Oh, you're making a little bath for your feet?
We're making a dirt man.
A dirt pedicure, you mean? Very, very creative, I must say.
It is time for my mud pedicure. Goodbye, Charles. How did you get so good?
Oh, look at that.
That feels great. That sounded
Does it tickle your toes? I'm debating if I want to sit in this chair and let Bria give me a mud pedicure. She moved. She moved. I'm gonna sit here. I'm gonna sit myself here. Hi, Bria.
Hello.
I am here for a mud pedicure.
Just take these out a little bit. Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you. And then you're gonna take some of this. And then you're gonna just take some of that. Okay. And then let's get some on the sides. And then after this, you're gonna sit here for like about 30 seconds. I'm gonna get some dry ones to put up your leg. Okay?
Dry mud? Dry sand?
Yeah.
Are you gonna like give me a massage or something?
Yeah, after you make your feet all nice.
Mud pedicures are the best. This is awesome. Oh, now she's gonna get dry sand and put it up my leg. Okay, leg's wet.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, okay. Here we go.
Yeah.
Oh, that actually feels warm.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go get more.
Wow, this is a good salon. Are you gonna do it, Jamie?
Come in my chair, I'm ready.
You're her assistant. Get my leg wet.
Oh.
Bria. Wow, this feels so nice.
Really work it in there, make it stay.
This is very relaxing. It actually feels very, very good. It actually feels like a sugar scrub that they give you with pedicures. This feels just like it. So I guess all you need to do is come to the beach, come to Bear Lake in Utah, and have your daughter get some mud sand and rub it up your leg and on your toes, and you've got yourself a very, very nice pedicure.
Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do is massage your feet.
Bria, this is heaven for me. I hope you know. So nice. It's so good. How much is this gonna cost, Bria?
It's gonna cost about like $1.
$1?
Or $5 you want nice, but
$5 if I want to be nice.
no, you won't do that, so $1.
What? You don't think I'll tip you?
Okay.
Dang.
Then do it. Prove
What have I done to wrong you?
Prove me wrong then. Tip me, sprinkle it.
I feel like you're painting my leg.
Because we are. Trust the process. No, it's not. You ever heard of that? Huh? Got any manners? You don't question the... Not a barber. You don't question the professional. Huh? How about you try this? But you can't. This requires tips. What? A $10 fee.
What is this? Thank you.
Customer service.
Wow.
And
I recommend this place. 5 stars for sure.
okay.
Ooh, the seashell. One more point and Cohen wins.
You ready, buddy? Make sure we turn it. Let's get him out. Let's get him out. Okay.
How did Cohen win the game?
He won the whole thing. He just got 11 points.
He did?
Yeah, he's getting good. Go play. She has no confidence in him. She doesn't know why he won. Are you trying to get food from him?
Yeah. I gave the Jaeger kids some. They tried. No.
Oh, but she's begging. She's begging.
No one.
Well, that made her happy.
Now the rest is for me. Look what I found. It's a clam, and that is the clam.
Oh, yeah.
What do we do?
Do you have to like shut it?
I don't know.
Shut it and put it back in the water.
I don't want to shut it. You shut it.
Or just put it back.
They close when alone.
They close
alone.
when they'll do it on their own. Okay, yeah, just put it back in the water.
They would do it on
It'll close on its own.
Yeah, is that what that is? So you put like ice in there?
Wake up. At least you're still holding on to Toby even though you're sleeping. I don't even know if you can windy out right now. Check out this lake. It has become super windy and a storm's coming and it is so choppy. I could barely breathe. The wind is so hard. So we all had to get out of the water because it gets pretty dangerous here when the wind starts blowing. But it is so pretty. It is so pretty here. The beach is pretty much empty right now. As you can see, everybody is gone because a storm is coming and the wind really picked up and the waves are getting big. And we're gonna go out to dinner with my sister and her family. And then we're going home to get ready for school. It is time to fill our bellies before we head home. Yummy. What? Why are you so messy? Because it's that good?
Why are you so messy?
I know. Just eat it normal. In your mouth. All of it. The whole spoon. There. Oh my gosh.
Do you know how to eat regular or what?
I guess not. Guys, it got cold so fast. I'm so glad we're not in the water anymore.
Well, you guys ate ice cream too.
But it's really windy and there's a storm coming. You saw the water. It's getting worse. It's dropping temperature very fast. And I'm ready to start driving home. The food was great, but
Let's go.
I'm cold. That was one of the most fun trips we've had. We had a blast. The kids loved the water, loved playing in it, but we are home now and getting things ready for school to start. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, put on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you guys next time. Bye, everybody.